All right, so I need to drill a 4-inch hole to accept a 4-inch dust collection port, but I only have a 2.5-inch Forstner bit, and that doesn't quite make it. So with a combination of the drill press and the router table, I'm gonna show you how I made this 4-inch hole. I ask that you please bear with me as I chuck up this 2.5-inch Forstner bit. Get that centered. Also going to clamp this down so it doesn't pull the old spinneroo on me. Whoa! About that. Must be petrified wood. Oh my God. .5 inch. Okay, so for those of you who haven't seen one, this is a rabbeting bit. It is a giant honking bit here and a bearing on top. This bearing can be swapped out for different size bearings, which will change the depth of this cut. So right now I have a 3/8 inch bearing on here. You can see this is a 3/8 of an inch spacer. So the distance from the bearing to the tip of the cutter head is 3/8 of an inch. What that will do is, since I have a 2.5 inch hole and I need 4, that leaves 1.5 inches. So with the 3/8 inch cutter, it'll take 3/8 off this side on the first pass, as well as 3/8 as it goes around. I'll flush trim that, and then the last pass will take the remaining 3/8, and then I'll flush trim that and give me a 4-inch circle. So first I just need to set the height so that this bearing rides along the inside of this circle. So while the bearing rides along the inside of this circle, the cutter will do its job below, leaving a 3/8 of an inch shoulder all the way around. Then we'll flush trim that and come back and repeat the process. So in my trim router, I have a bottom bearing flush trim bit. So what that bearing is going to do is, just like on the router table, the bearing will ride along this outside shoulder and the blade will come in behind and clear out all this waste. All right, judgment time. Let's see if it fits. Ooh, that is a snug fit. Nice. Let's grab the calipers and see exactly how close to 4 inches it is. Yeah, that's within tolerance. All right, so not a bad fit. Now, you may be asking, well, what the heck is this for? Well, stay tuned, because I have an upcoming project to show you how I'm building a downdraft table with vacuum on it for my planer bed. That way, when I'm running thin strips through, the cutter blades don't pull those thin strips up and turn it to mulch. So stay tuned for that. Also, while you're making one of these, hey, why not make 2? Now you have a 4-inch template that you can always use with a pattern bit. And if you need to make another size, make 2 of those as you're going along. That way you can just kind of keep a catalog of these in the shop. That way you always have various size holes that you may not have drill bits for. So I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and shop jigs coming up in the future. Thanks for watching. Man, I really need a haircut. See the wings? The wings start to come out. Oh boy. And I did get a haircut. How about that? No more wings. All right. What do you think, Jerry? Weirdo.